Texas. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a flash flood warning for western Camp County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, west central Gregg County in northeastern Texas, Smith County in northeastern Texas, western Upshur County in northeastern Texas, Wood County in northeastern Texas, until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 6 inches of rain have fallen so far today. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area through early afternoon, as additional heavy rain develops over the warned area and moves east from Van Zant and Henderson counties. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tyler, White House, Gladewater, Gilmer, Mineola, Pittsburgh, Winsboro, Leesburg, Lindale, Overton, Bullard, Quitman, Big Sandy, Hawkins, Arp, Hort, Haynesville, Rosewood, Golden, and Pleasant Grove. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In early terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m.